So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new sanitary tee in the wall here. The existing tee sitting right here used to be in the wall, and it's all PVC. PVC is pretty brittle. I'm not even certain that if you'd have dropped this on ABS that it would have broken. It's a lot more flexible, but anyway, so just a couple of bands. These are rated for inspection. They're code. So you can see right here, 1.5" cast iron, plastic, or steel to 1.5" cast iron, plastic, or steel. So that's the band that you need. So top and bottom band. We just cut out a section of pipe, which is this part right there, there to there. And then got some ABS pipe. Doesn't matter because it's band, so no glue involved there. So just glued some pieces in, ABS pipe, stuff it back out of the wall, got the bands tightened down so everything looks good there. You've got the water pipe is in the wall, and up about, you've got a strap up about a foot on the right, and probably a foot on the left, which is hot and cold. One thing we did note is this valve, it had a compression stop on it, and you can see the big groove right there. That was from the compression ring. The ferrule that was on there was brass. So it's cut in pretty deep. I don't recommend leaving this at all. I don't like these shutoff valves either, but I have used them. I like something that screws on, which means you'd come in here, cut the plastic right here, cut it, get a U-Poner, used to be Wurzbo, but U-Poner coupling, expand the pipe, put the coupling in, and then get a brand new piece of pipe on here. I would remove this, get a block in here, probably a piece of 3/4 plywood that would fit in front of here, and then go ahead and mount the brass drop ear 90s, and tie the Wurzbo right into the U-Poner piping, right into that drop ear 90, and then a brass nipple on the way out. Those are usually, I don't know, like a 4-inch nipple, 4-inch brass, and then an iron pipe shutoff valve, so threaded valve, and then a 1/4 turn still, and all that's the shutoff valves are Home Depot. U-Poner piping is Ferguson, and the couplings and the drop ears, I might have some at the house, so if you're interested, just give me a holler, and we'll get those to you, as well as the tool if you'd like to use it. So that's just a repair you need, probably a little 2-foot square, it looks like. See if it's less than 2 feet. Yeah, so they sell this 2-foot squares right over at Lowe's, Home Depot. If you look on their sheetrock aisle, they sell 2 foot by 2 foot, so you can easily just buy that, cut it to fit this hole. I cut it down the center of the stud, so you can go ahead and just patch it back in. And then just a little bit of tape or mud over and they sell little things of mud it back in, and your hole's covered. But this one is actively leaking. You can see the moisture, and the homeowner's aware of that. She felt it as well. So there's some moisture going on here, plus that deep groove. And while you're at it, like I say, if you cut these, put that fitting on there and get it stubbed out. You can also use copper if you'd like and replace this to a copper hold-right. But whatever you'd like to do, our portion of work is done. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.